Hi, my name is Yağmur Balcı. In this video, I am going to give information about some general critical reading strategies. To start with, reading is almost the basis of all language learning skills in English. Whether you experience it or not, when you read something, there is always a reason, that is, a purpose for reading. When you are reading a street sign, a textbook, or an advertisement, you are reading for a particular purpose. When it comes to reading academic texts and articles, just opening a page and reading it like a novel does not work. You have to have some strategies to make your reading more efficient and more successful. In this video, you will find some clues for effective reading. Reading with a purpose is the first step. First of all, before you actively engage with a text, you must be aware of your purpose in reading and assign selection. There are several purposes to read, such as to understand the message or the main idea, to find important details, to answer a specific question, to evaluate what you are reading, to apply what you are reading, and to be entertained or to enjoy. Thus, it is imperative that you understand why an instructor has assigned a reading selection and how the selection addresses the course objectives and recurring course themes. Making preview is the second step. To do this, you go over the text quickly. This is called skimming. Skimming is the technique of allowing your eyes to travel rapidly over a page, stopping here and there to get the main idea. When skimming, you should read the title, read the first paragraph completely, and read subheadings and first sentences of the remaining paragraphs. Thirdly, taking notes and summarizing are key steps of understanding a text. You need to take notes to focus your attention, to familiarize yourself with primary and secondary material on a given subject, and to provide yourself with a summary of the material. There are some hints for taking notes, such as writing on one margin of the paper only, either right or left, leaving a wide margin for comments and cross-references, using headings, subheadings, and diagrams, keeping notes brief but full enough to still make sense to you later. You should make sure that they are legible. When you finish taking notes, you can write them down with a logical order, which means you can summarize the text by using your notes. For this, you should use only main ideas of each paragraph and your own words. Evaluating an argument is the last step of critical reading, which means testing the logic of a text as well as its credibility and emotional impact. When reading a text, you shouldn't accept anything on face value, but recognize every claim as an argument that must be carefully evaluated. When you evaluate an argument, you are concerned with the process of reasoning as well as its truthfulness. In an argument, there is claim, which means an idea, an opinion, a judgment, or a point of view that the writer wants you to accept. But the critical reader should include reasons, shared beliefs, assumptions and values, and evidences, facts, examples, statistics in order to accept the conclusion. Before we finish, you need to remember that when you are asked to evaluate a piece of writing, you must first be sure that you have clearly understood what you have read. Only after you understand the author's viewpoint, purpose, and methods of support, you are ready to critique the text by using critical reading strategies effectively. In this video, I have informed you about some general critical reading strategies. In the next video, you can find the summarizing steps. If you need further information, you can refer to your course supplementary pack. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.